This is day 2 of slack packing. It is so nice being able to just cruise along this without any heavy packs or anything. My mom's meeting us halfway to do some trail magic, and she's gonna pick up my dog. Like Blue's just in front of me here. He could probably do the full day, but I figured we'd ease him into it because he's not used to the elevation. And he's a bit older and a bit heavier than he used to be, so we'll just start with this. Doing about 7 miles today, and then tomorrow he'll probably join for the full day because he's just having so much fun. I guess there's still snow here. Kind of surprised to this lower elevation. There've just been little patches, but this is a little bit more.
How can I get back down?
On the other side.
No, I think I can get down the same way.
Just jump, you'll be fine.
That's the worst will happen.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I hate the ups as well, but
Okay, this way is easier over here.
We are a half mile from the road, and we found a swing just in the middle of the, like next to the trail, just out of nowhere. Just a swing bench. It's really nice to sit on this after a long day of hiking.
it actually is.
Here's my mom hiking the Continental Divide, free as a bird, along with my dog up ahead, amongst the tall trees near Leadville, Colorado. I have no idea what the elevation is. Also with Gargoyle. We are somehow above a rainbow. It's like below us. It's so cool. Oh, it's kind of gone now.
Yeah.
There's a lot of explosive hazard signs, and then there's this maybe old building over there. I think I'm gonna stay on the trail because, I mean, I don't know. I don't want to explode. Looks like we're going right for the building after all. We'll get to check it out. Ooh, it's river. Fascinating. It's like they're all kind of the same, just a small room. Are there any that are different? What do you mean it gets longer the further we go? It's expanding?
Yeah, it's expanding.
It's gonna go on forever?
Yeah, for sure.
What happens when we turn around? Will we ever get back to the trail?
No.
Never? Today we are slack packing 23 miles from Tennessee Pass to Copper Mountain. Blue always sticking with me, and Gargoyle's back there, and Sputnik and leftovers are up ahead, and it's like raining on and off, but it's not too terrible. It's been actually quite a beautiful day today. And there's Gargoyle down there. Come on. And of course now it's raining again. But we're on the ridge. It's getting cold out. And I work our way down. Just laying in the snow having a nap. The snow is apparently comfy. Oh no! Another mishap. So we are finally in the Copper Mountain ski area. It's 1.7 before we even hit the resort area. And I've skied here before, so it's really interesting being here again without snow. We're approaching Center Village. This place is massive. Here's the Alpine coaster. I've been so excited to go on. We're gonna hopefully go on it tomorrow, but this just looks so cool. This is our way up. And behind us, Gargoyle and Google are behind me. I'm excited. This is Shredder.
This is so meta right now.
We are making a fabulous dinner. This is Pecorino, Lush, Google. We're gonna clean up the table here. My mom over there. And then we're actually renting a house right now, which is really cool. It's really big and really nice. Here's Blue. And then out here we have leftovers and Sputnik trying to do all the mushrooms.
You think that's where they
Oh.
like